Hello dear students, we can find out the solution for the question number 1. The given quantities are R is equal to 50 ohm and XL is equal to 2 pi FL, that is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 0.05, that is our L, that is equal to 15.7 ohm. Next, we want to find out the value of Z. In generally, Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL difference XC the whole square. This is the general equation. But in this case, there is no XC. Means this equation becomes Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL square. Square root of R square plus XL square. That is equal to square root of 50 square plus 15.7, that is our value of XL, 15.7 the whole square. It will become 52.4 ohm. Z is the reactance or impedance in ohm. Next we want to find out the cos phi. What is the equation for cos phi? Cos phi is equal to R by Z. Here that is equal to 50 divided by 52.4. That will become 0.954. From this value, we want to find out phi, phase angle phi. Phase angle is equal to cos inverse of 0.954. Its value is equal to 17 degree 26 minutes. Then the last portion of this question is find I. I is equal to V by Z. That is equal to, what is the value of V? 250. 250 divided by Z, 52.4. That is equal to 4.77 ampere. This is enough to draw the vector diagram. The vector diagram becomes, the vector diagram contains two values, voltage and current. Here the given quantity of voltage is equal to 250 volt. The current in inductive circuit, the current is always lags 90 degree, but it is not a pure circuit, so that it's lags by an angle 17 point. This is an angle 17 degree 26 minutes, and its value is equal to 47.7 ampere. This is the vector diagram. Next, I cos phi. I cos phi is equal to 4.55 ampere. Therefore, Vi cos phi equal to 250 into 4.55. That is equal to 1.1378 kilowatt. The value is in watt, then we convert that into kilowatt. Divided by 1000. Or it can be found out by using the equation I squared R. or we can also find out this value using the equation I squared r. What is the value of I squared r? That is equal to 4.77 the whole square, that is the value of I, into 50. Also we will get the same value, 1.1378 kilowatt. Okay, thank you.